This problem is very similar to the ones we were working in 4.1. The only difference is they're giving you information in the form of a graph. So the idea is still the same. We still need to find a linear function, which means we need to have a slope and a y-intercept, and we get that ball rolling by finding slope, which we need 2 points. So instead of them giving us 2 points, we just pull the 2 points from the graph, and you can pick any 2 points. It does not matter which two. So I'm just going to choose two that I can easily read. So I'm going to do this one, which is the point 2200. And I'm going to do this point, which is 25,190. You could also do this point if you wanted to. You just need two, so just pick two and go with it. So the first thing we're going to have to do is calculate the slope. So the slope I'm going to do 200 minus 190, which means I'm going to have to do 20 minus 25. I can tell from the slant of my line that I'm definitely going to have a negative slope because it's slanted in that direction. So it looks like I'm going to have 10 over negative 5, which gives me negative 2. So now I just take that slope and then take one of my points to find my y-intercept, and then I can write an equation. But it looks like they just want a y-intercept, which I'll be able to find here in a minute, and then we interpret that. So it doesn't look like I need to actually have a full-blown equation, but I definitely need to find the y-intercept. So again, I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. I'm just going to use the ordered pair 2200. So that means I'm going to have 200 equals my slope of negative 2 times my x of 20 plus b. I have negative 40 plus b, so b must be 240. So my y-intercept in an ordered pair would be 0, 240. So I've answered that part. Now interpret the y-intercept. So in this problem, it says, let's read it again so we can interpret it properly. Use the graph below, which shows the profit y in thousands of dollars of a company in a given year, where t represents the number of years since 1980. That's kind of a key thing. Find the linear function where y depends on t, the number of years since 1980. So when we find our y-intercept, and it's 0 to 40. Remember that 0 is on the x-axis, and that's time. So that's when time started, and in this particular problem, the time started in 1980. So in the year 1980, the company's profits were $240,000.